Hello everyone, are you having storage issues or is your storage almost full? Then please watch this video because I will be explaining how to free up 100 GB plus of storage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. This will be very quick and it's simple to follow. There's no need for you to download any kind of third-party application, and you can free more than 100 GB of space by just deleting some kind of temporary file that is not required in your PC. First, on your Windows 10 or 11, click on the search box and here you have to type storage. And from the suggestions, choose storage settings. Now under storage management, you will find an option, storage sense. You have to make sure that this option has been enabled because storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, such as temporary files and contents in the recycle bin. So again, make sure this option has been enabled. After that, click Show More Categories. And it will show you what kind of file is occupying the space on your drive. And as you can see, temporary file is occupying around 24 gigabytes. Okay, if in your case, your temporary file occupies too much storage, all you need to do is click on temporary files. And then this will show you what kind of temporary files that occupies the space. Here you'll check the options that you don't need. And as for me, I don't need any of these files, so I'll check this. Okay, and then click on Remove Files. Continue. Okay, so once you click on Remove File, a certain number of gigabyte of space will be free from your computer. Okay, so once you're done, you can go back. Now click on Installed Apps to see the list of apps and features that is installed in your PC. Okay, so here, check the list and find the application that you don't need or you don't use anymore and you don't identify. Okay, so look for them. Then you have to click on it. For example, I don't need my Dropbox, so I have to click these three dots and then I will choose uninstall so that it can be completely uninstalled from my computer. Now, if you apply these two methods, once you restart your Windows, you will find a great change and even the performance will be boosted. And a lot of storage will be free from your computer. Okay, so that's all guys. Hopefully the same methods will work for you. And if it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.